Hey, hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how to send an email with a document or a picture attached in it, so you can contact the teachers and send us the tarea. So here we go. You will open your browser, Google, and you will type here Gmail to access your account, and you can also press here or in the squares, Gmail. You will access with your email address, okay? This is mine. I'm not going to tell you my password, it's secret. Okay, here we are. So we are going to press redactar to create a new email. So I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, para, you will write your teacher's address. In this case, I'm gonna send an email for myself. Here we have it. You write it. If you send us more emails, you will have it there already. Asunto. Well, here you type the task or the main topic of the message. In this case, email to show my students or to teach. And here, well, I'm going to write whatever you want to tell your teacher. Hey teacher, I send you an email with a picture and a document, for example, de tarea. Okay. Then you are going to click here, adjuntar archivos, and then you are going to choose the task, the tarea that you want to send your teacher. In this case, I'm going to send a picture and a document. The picture, I have it here, and also I'm going to send instructions for your diary. Okay, when they are uploaded, you will see them in blue. It means that it's ready, and I click enviar. So we are going to check. Here I have it, email to teach my students. And this way the teachers can easily see what you've done. Picture, well, this is me in the summer, and the document. So as you can see, I can check what you've written. This is an example, it's the task, the instructions, but it's the same with another document or whatever you want to send us. So I hope I've helped you. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to contact me on email. Bye bye.